Referral management for home care. Dawn just talked a lot about keeping track of those referral sources and knowing who you're going to see next. And our CRM, ASN Spark CRM, keeps track of your referral sources and lets you rate them, A, B, C, D, most likely to refer, less likely to refer, their phone numbers, notes about them, whatever it is you want to keep track of or your salespeople need to keep track of, you can keep track of it all in the CRM and look at it at a glance to see what you need to be thinking about next. So it's custom views and it just looks beautiful. And I put a screenshot of it. It's hard to see all that data here. That's a demo account, but it's pretty amazing what it can do for you and keep you organized. And this is the big look at that same screen you just saw. Here's what it looks like up close. So you can see we have Mary Smith, phone number, extra notes about Mary Smith, referral, the first contact I ever made, the facility type, what did I do last time? Was a drop by? How many Medicaid beds do they have? If they are 100% Medicaid, and this is something Dawn gave me this aha moment, if you are going to an assisted living facility or a skilled nursing facility that's 100% Medicaid and you are 100% private pay, you probably don't want to be marketing there, right? Because they're not going to give you any private pay clients. They don't have any. So you want to look up all of the things that have to do with that facility online and know how many Medicaid beds they have or the percentage of Medicaid beds. How likely are they to refer to you? A, B, C, or D, not sure. And when was the last date that you visited them? What's their occupancy rate? And any other notes that you might have. And what are you sending these referrals as a follow-up? So email marketing and texting is also part of your online marketing. So what are you going to send to these folks? What if it was already written for you and you just edited a few things on a Word document and then boom, whenever you wanted to send out an email, it's already sitting there. It's already personalized and you can also add to it or manage it however you want. But this is what we call a drip campaign. So if you do have referral sources that you like to email once in a while, maybe once a week or twice a month or something like that, just to stay top of mind, we have drip campaigns that are set up. And you can do this with any platform, but it's a series of about 10 emails that can go out once a week or every other week. And we wrote them all and Dawn wrote them. But you get to customize them with your own information and things like that, or we can help you with that.